Most virtual production studios lose money before they ever roll camera because they get one decision wrong: the LED wall itself. Hey everyone, welcome to LED Market USA, and today we're breaking down exactly what it takes to set up an LED wall for a virtual production studio, the right way. Green screens are fading out fast. Virtual production is projected to hit over $3 billion in market value, and the reason is simple. LED walls give you real-time, in-camera environments. No chroma spill, no guessing in post. What the camera sees is what you get. Before you spend $1, define your use case. Shooting film or TV? You need a fine pixel pitch under 1.9 millimeters to avoid moire on close-ups. Running live broadcasts? Prioritize color fidelity and consistency. Either way, you need a high refresh rate to eliminate flicker and stay in sync with your camera. Our Mirackle panels have double refresh rate of 7680 Hz. Next, your installation method. Ground support is the right call if you're running multiple studios and need to move your LED wall constantly, or if you simply want it standing freely on the ground, independent of any wall or ceiling. Wall mounted is built for permanent studios with a clean footprint. Flown rigs give you full ceiling and vertical flexibility for immersive volumes, but that requires certified rigging and lightweight panel construction, since every pound matters overhead. Then comes the technical backbone, video processors and sending cards that keep signal quality tight. And as an official Novastar distributor, LED Market gives you direct access to the industry's leading processing technology. No middleman markups. Add synchronous systems for frame-accurate rendering with engines like Unreal, and full calibration, uniform brightness, color matching, dead pixel checks, and camera tracking integration like Genlock. Skip this step and even the best panel looks amateur on camera. Here's what most guides won't tell you. Your panel is only half the equation. Your supplier is the other half. Logistics, on-site installation, technical configuration, and critically, support that doesn't disappear the day after your wall ships. That's where most overseas sourced setups fall apart. And once it's running, regular cleaning, cable inspection, and a professional service check once or twice a year keep your investment performing for years, not months. This is LED Market USA. LED displays, always in stock, with real American support, 5-year warranties, and fast shipping and nationwide delivery. If you're building a virtual production studio, don't just buy a panel. Partner with a team that builds the whole system with you. Visit ledmarketusa.com and request your free quote today. Thanks for watching.